So tell me, what do you think about these incomes? $43,320.10. Here's another one. $27,688.50. Think how this type of income per month, weekly even, will be able to change your life. Well, hi there, my friend, Errol Mulier, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be slightly different compared to all my other videos where I do reviews, etc., etc. In this specific video, I want you to stay tuned and pay very close attention because I'm going to share income proof with you of team members that's basically doing what I'm doing. That's a part of the same system. That's a part of multiple sources of income like I am. And also within this video, I'm going to share with you my sources of income or my income that I've generated so far, call it for this past week, if we can call it that, 7 days. Plus minus, and you will see that I always talk about this within my videos. On the top right hand side right now, you will see there's a notification popping up just taking you to some review videos that I've done with regards to forex trading videos, and there's another one upcoming after this video. But then I just want you, I always talk about this, and let's quickly hop to my money hub, my affiliate hub. That's what we call it, this one right here. And I just want to share with you that, or basically, yes, I want to share with you out of my heart that here's the income that I've generated so far for this month alone, not even talking about last month and the previous month and this entire year versus last year. So, because I always talk about this, but I never show you. And I thought this video is going to be a little bit different where I actually show you. So before we get started, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, while I've got you here, please give this video a thumbs up if you really find some value within this video. And if you like this type of content, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below after you've watched this video or while you're watching this video. Leave me a comment. I would really like to know what you are thinking. Leave me your opinion below this video. I'd really appreciate that, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's start off with let me show you this. Do you want to make more money, and what this is all about? It's called, at this point in time, it's called the ABS, and I'm going to share two members with you quickly, and then I'm going to share my own income with you as well that I've generated. I literally generated a sale yesterday, and I'm about to generate another sale just now with an add-on to it. So let me share that with you quickly. So firstly, I'm going to head over to our community. As you can see on the top right hand side, it is community.empiredigest.com. I will leave a link in the description below this video. If you want to, you can join this community for absolutely free. It's our VIP Empire Digest community, more with regards to marketing, affiliate marketing than anything else. There is quite a few forex traders on there, but nonetheless, if you want to join the community and you want to see how people are performing and changing their lives, please do so. It is free. I will leave a link in the description below. So what I've done is I've actually posted a post. As you can see, Errol Mulier, EmpireDigest.com. I've posted a post on Joshua Elder's behalf. This guy generated within his first month, and I've been tracking him for quite some time. He generated $43,320.10. 100 sales within his first month. Then there's another guy, Aaron Chen, and he actually posted a post not so long ago. I just wanted to share with you about a month ago, and he generated $27,688.50. Now he's way over the $40 mark, as $40,000 mark as well. I think in actual fact he earned like $50,000 if I'm not mistaken within his first month, or within this specific month. He's been with us for quite some time. But Joshua Elder literally started, and this is his first month, if I'm not mistaken, with us, and he generated about $43,000. Now, just to share with you, okay, so this is the community, Empire Digest. So head over to community.empiredigest.com, link in the description. You're more than welcome to join this community. And then here is our main community that as soon as you get started, if you want to get started doing what we are doing, I will leave a link. It will be the first link in the description below this video. You can click that link. It will bring you over to this page. Click the show me how to make money button and then just follow along. But then as soon as you get started, you will immediately get access to be able to join this group right here. So if you head over to discussions, like I said, about 1,330 members, and you can see these are live members commenting, guys, live members sharing videos, results, etc., of them succeeding. And as soon as you become part of us and become part of our group, and become part of our system, you will literally be able to get access to this group as well, of highly successful entrepreneurs sharing their success stories, sharing how they do it, helping other individuals that's got no experience at all in order to do it as well, in order to succeed online as well, sharing tips, tricks, strategies, how-tos, etc. So it's a very powerful group for online entrepreneurs. Now, heading over to my dashboard quickly, I just want to share with you that literally yesterday I generated a sale, and I am actually on track. Okay, it didn't come through yet. I'm on track of earning another sale just now, and then actually an add-on as well. In actual fact, that sale will then generate $833 for the day of today. So if I head over, you can actually see I'm logged in. Errol, there's the picture of me. Scrolling down. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. Let me quickly share with you. As you can see, Errol, hi Errol. Now, just scrolling down a little, I want to share with you my VIP Partner Center. I don't want to go too fast. Okay, as you can see, literally, so far, $447.30. Sale 1, this was generated yesterday. As you can see, 0403, the year, or the month, the year 2024. And like I said, I'm on track of making another sale, another $447.30 commission, plus an add-on, which will then generate another $833 on top of this $447.30. So this is my back office. Okay, these are just this is literally just one income source. Now, going over, I'm going to start from the very first tab, and as we continue along, I will open up all my multiple sources of income and share them with you. This is besides YouTube. The video you are watching now. I'll also generate income from YouTube AdSense, as well as obviously from YouTube itself, and through affiliate marketing, affiliate links, etc., etc. So here's another source, AccuWeb. As you can see, I'm logged in, Errol Muller. Scrolling down, currently earned to date, I'm sitting at $30.65. Now, if I head over, I've got pending commissions. That takes about 90 days, slightly longer. It takes about 90 days before I receive those commissions. I had to pause the video for just a little while there. So here's some more pending commissions, and they say these ones are paying will be paid out within 90 days. So as you can see, here's another $50, another $50, and another $50. So this one should be paying out shortly. This one will take a little while before it pays out, and this one will take a little while before it pays out. Now that is on top of the $30 that I just shared with you. So heading over to another source of income. In actual fact, this is not a source of income. This is just to show you that I've literally so far for this month, as you can see right here, for this month, I've literally generated 6 highly targeted leads, of which one of them has already made a purchase. There's one about to make a purchase. I know about that because I've been communicating. And then that leaves me with, 4 leads left. Not to say that they will be purchasing, but then again, it's highly targeted leads. So far, I've generated 6 leads. And what is today's date? Let's quickly have a look. It's the 4th. So it's literally within 4 days, I've generated 6 highly targeted leads ready to purchase. Okay, so just don't worry about this revenue. This revenue is not tracking because these leads are tracked somewhere else. The sales for these leads are tracked somewhere else. Okay, here's another source of income. I think I've shared this one with you before. Let me just close it. As you can see, rather on the top right-hand side, Errol Muller. Current report is since the 1st of March 2024, it's 440 United States dollars. Since the 1st of April, the month of April, so far it's sitting at $87. I usually average around $700, $400, $700. There's one month I generated about $1,300 just with this one source of income. My next payment that will be paid out to me, it's $355. This will come through on the April the 20th. March the 20th, I've literally earned a paycheck of $700.28. As you can see, so far for the past 7 days, I've earned $84.75 commission with this specific source of income. Here's another source of income. This one I have not earned a commission yet, keeping in mind that so far I've had 84 visitors. And then let's see, usually a conversion rate, if it's, I'm not talking about you get visitors, then you get leads, and then you get sales. So just with regards to visitors, I would like to see if I'd get a 1 or a 2% conversion rate based on only visitors. That's extremely high. I'm not talking about leads to conversions. I'm talking about visitors to conversions. Okay, so let's see what I get to around 100 visitors. If I can get a 1%, that's 1 sale. 2% is 2 sales. That's phenomenal. So still tracking this one. Next, here's another source of income. I'm just going to blur this section for a little while I am logging in, just to share with you that here's another source of income. So guys, just bear with me while I've got you on the line. And while you are watching the video, leave me a comment. If you haven't done so yet, give the video a like, leave me a comment. I would really like to know what it is. Leave me your thoughts. What do you think about this? Do you think this is legit? Have you ever thought of making money online? Have you ever thought of doing affiliate marketing, building passive income? It's very, guys, I talk about this within basically all my videos that I've done. And if you've been following me for quite a while and you have been a loyal follower, thank you. I really appreciate you. Leave me a comment if you have been following me for some time. Okay, so as you can see, I am currently logged in to my back office. I just want to head over to the, not the payouts, I think it is the referrals. Let's quickly see. Let's click on referrals. 100%, yes. So as you can see, so these ones are all paid out. There's quite a few of them that's already been paid out to me, paid, etc. But we're looking at the status of unpaid. So these statuses right here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 commissions that still needs to be paid out to me. So if I quickly go ahead and I add up those 6 commissions, so it's 85 plus 100 plus $85 plus $100 plus $85 plus $92. That is $547 that still needs to be paid out to me. And in actual fact, if I'm from South Africa, and if you don't know what the conversion is, but you can take $547, convert it or times it by about 18, because that's the South African rand. It's much weaker than the United States dollars. Then you can basically take that 547 times 18 rand, South African rand, and you will get your actual earnings in South African rands. Okay. That's another source of income. Then heading over to another source of income, it's ClickBank. And I'm not really promoting ClickBank products per se, but I am using ClickBank as a payment method and as the, how can I put it, as like the middleman. There's a reason I don't really promote ClickBank products itself per se. I might be promoting 1 or 2, but this is all related to something different, something that I trust. And there's products out there that are just extremely bad on ClickBank. Okay, so for this one, as from the March the 30th till April the 3rd, I mean, that is what, it's about 5 days. And within the last 5 days, as you can see, hello Errol, within the last 5 days, it's $73 here, $73 here, $66 here. As you can see, a net income of $213.47. My next paycheck that will be paid out to me will be, because I think it stops every Wednesday of a week, and then it pays out the Friday. So this coming Friday, it will be paying out to me $92.65. And then the next week, this will then be generated. And so it continues to roll. Now, these are multiple sources of income that I've just shared with you. Speaking of this guy right here, Joshua, that earned over $43,000 in his very first month. I've lost Aaron Chen's commissions now, but he earned $27,000, and that was at the beginning of March, like the 5th of March, that he's already earned like $27,000. So I'm telling you guys, this is so powerful. And if you want to get started, head over to this page right here. It will be the very first link in the description below this video. It will bring you over to this page. Click the Show Me How to Make Money button and follow along. Next, if you want to follow me on TikTok, YouTube, or not me per se, but if you want to follow, yes, myself, because I'm the owner of Empire Digest. This is my hub, my business. The profiles, the TikTok profile for Empire Digest, for Instagram, and then for YouTube Shorts will all be in the description below this video. Going forward, I will share those social media profile links within the description below every single video, should you want to join on those profiles as well. So once again, I thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful, fantastic, beautiful life going forward. And I wish you only the best.